Some mornings, the anchor comes up before the sun does. The Sunreef 70 is that kind of boat, the kind that doesn't ask for a reason to go. Sunreef Yachts builds these in Gdansk, Poland, and they build them to put you offshore, not at the dock. 70 feet, a 34-foot beam, room to actually live out here, 3,000 square feet of sail, mainsail in Genoa pulling against a mast that reaches 101 feet into the sky. When the breeze fills and she heels up on a reach, you're not sailing anymore, you're just going. Foredeck trampolines drop you straight to the water. Stern swim platform for when the anchor goes down. 2 hulls, 1 massive deck. The kind of platform that makes you want to stay out one more tide. Anchor out for the week. 5 staterooms, sleep 10, so bring the whole crew. Cockpit dinners when the sun drops. Foredeck, lounging when it comes back up. The light out here changes every hour. Gold at anchor, silver at dawn, blazing blue at noon. This boat makes it very easy to not go home. The Sunreef 70 is not a weekend trip. It's a decision to change how you use the water. You leave on Friday, and you don't think about coming back until the food runs out. 5 cabins, 10 guests, 3,000 square feet of canvas. This is what the open water is supposed to feel like. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.